If you're tired of creating manual charts in Excel, then this video is for you. Number one, we'll start importing the libraries, and then we're going to read the data from the clipboard. Yes, from the clipboard. And then we're going to read the data and output to the display. And then we're going to add a single Python line that imports a very beautiful and interactive library for us, which is called Matplotlib. And then we're going to create a line chart based on our data. We will set the x-axis to the production date and the y-axis to any parameter we want. And in this case, it's going to be the wellhead flowing or the bottom hole flowing pressure. Once we do that, now we are going to get a chart. Next step is to color code this by well name. This is going to work also on large number of wells. The next step would be to add more variables to this. We can also add the wellhead temperature as well, or the flowing temperature. Once we add that, now it's time to break down this chart into multiple channels. So these channels or facets will represent a well per column or per facet. Once we do that, actually we have already there. Now we have successfully converted our chart into multi-chart in the same time. Of course, you can add more variables to this as you wish. The average wellhead temperature as well to this. By the way, you can add as many variables you want. You can also change the axis to anything you want.